welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Jojo. Welcome to Continental Food and Cake TV. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make pizza for your children. Quick and easy way to make pizza for your children. If that's what you're interested in, please keep watching. Trust me, pizza is very easy to make if you know how to make it. To make the pizza dough, I'm using strong white bread flour. Next, I measure 600 grams of the bread flour. But you can also use plain flour or self-rising flour. After measuring 600 grams of the bread flour, next I transfer to a clean bowl. Then add 1.5 pack of instant yeast. Please make sure you use instant yeast or you buy the one they write fast rise. After adding the instant yeast, next, I add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then get some warm water and start mixing it together. So now I'm trying to form a dough for the pizza. So I'm using the warm water and I'm adding it bit by bit. After adding a bit, I mix together, mix until I achieve a non-stick dough. So I'm going for that dough that is a non-stick dough. Please, if my voice is cracking, it's because I have a sore throat, so I apologize for that, but I have to make this video. So I'm adding the water bit by bit. As I said, I'm using warm water. So once the dough comes together, you don't want it to be too soft. Make sure when you're mixing it, it's not too soft and it's not hard. So next step is to transfer it to a clean surface. So you see now, make sure your surface is clean. Once your surface is clean, transfer the dough and start kneading. Yes. With this, you have to knead until the dough is stretchy because it's a pizza. So you want to achieve that stretchy dough. After kneading the dough for about 5 minutes, next I add 1 tablespoon of butter to give the dough that flavor. And if you notice, I'm adding the butter now because I don't want to overwork the butter as well. Once you add the butter, continue kneading for 4 to 5 minutes. In total, I knead this for at least 10 minutes. You can use a stand mixer or a hand mixer if you don't want to go through this stress. So after kneading the dough for 10 minutes, you can see the dough is very stretchy. So stretchy. Next step is to transfer to a bowl. So next I add vegetable oil so that when it dries, it's not going to stick to the bowl. So next I cover with a cling film. After that, I keep the dough in a warm place so that the dough is going to rise and double in size. So that's what we want. Next step is to make the pizza sauce. I'm going to show you easy way to make pizza sauce. In this bowl, I have tomato paste, 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. So to that, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. After that, I add garlic powder. Then add ginger powder. After that, I add smoked paprika for that smoky flavor. Then add onion powder. After adding the onion powder, I add 4 seasoning peppercorn. Then add AROMAT. After that, I add 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning. Then add salt for taste. After that, I mix together to combine. But to mix it, I add water to adjust the consistency because it's too thick. So add some water and mix until I achieve the consistency that I want. So this is how I make my pizza sauce now because it's easier this way. Trust me, it's easier. So once you mix together until it's well combined and you achieve the consistency that you want, so the next step is to transfer to a microwave and heat it up for 5 minutes. And 5 minutes later, voila! It's so easy to make your pizza sauce, guys. So this is the pizza sauce. You can leave the remaining one for next time you want to make pizza. The next ingredients you need for a pizza is mozzarella cheese. Next, I have the pepperoni, hot pepperoni. So here I have the dough, as you can see, is double in size. Look at that, the magic. So next I open it. After that, I just, give it a soft punch to release the air bubble. After that, I transfer to a clean surface. Knead it for a bit, maybe just for 1 or 2 minutes, and that's it. Next, I cut it into 4 pieces because this dough will give you 4 medium pizza. And you can keep the remaining dough in the freezer for next time you want to make pizza. Trust me, it makes your life so easy. So I'm making 2 pizza now, and I'm going to keep the rest in the freezer. So this is my pizza tray. Next, I flour out a clean surface, then roll out one of the dough until it's flat and round with a rolling pin. It's very easy to make pizza at home if you know how to make it. As I said from the beginning of the video, it's not difficult. Most time pizza here is not cheap. When you're buying from Domino's, it can cost up to 10 to 15 pounds. So why don't you make it at home? So next, I transfer to the pizza tray and spread it the more with my hands. I brush the edge of the dough with vegetable oil so that it's not going to dry out. After that, just add your pizza sauce and spread it in the pizza dough. Avoid the edge. You don't want to spread it on the edge. Just, spread it. And after that, after spreading the pizza sauce, the next step is to add your cheese. And once you add your cheese, you can add your pepperoni. I'm just making pepperoni because my children love it. But you can now make your own choice. You can add your chicken, your vegetable. Just do you. Pizza is very easy to make. Trust me. And the one you make at home tastes better than the one in the shop. Tan, 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 tan. As you can see, one pizza is ready. Very easy to make. Let me know if you're going to make this pizza for your children or for yourself. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment. As you can see, I've made 2 already. So next step is to transfer to a preheated oven, 180 degrees Celsius for at least 15 to 20 minutes until the pizza turns golden brown, depending on your oven. So this is 20 minutes later. Look at this goodness, yummy pepperoni pizza. By this time, my kids were so excited. They always tell me, "Mommy, make pizza for us. We'll prefer your pizza than the one in the shop." So allow it to cool down for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can now cut the pizza. If you make this for your children, oh, you come back and tell me the result. They will be so excited. Trust me, the pizza made at home tastes better. At least you know the quality of the cheese you're using and the quality of your dough. Look at this goodness. Soft, flaky, yummy, delicious. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you to those who give my video a thumbs up, who leave comments, and those who share my video. Thank you so much. Even those who just join Continental Foods, I love you all. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comment. Let me know if you're going to make this pizza, if you're going to repeat this recipe. I love you all, and I'm going to see you in another video. Bye bye.